Hi everyone. My name is Azmat Sidhu and I'm a second year PhD student in epidemiology at MEZCOPH at the University of Arizona. I work in the healthy aging lab here, where we primarily work on healthy cognitive aging in older adults. My research interests very closely aligned with the site that I was matched with. I had the opportunity to go to the American University in Cairo, which is in Cairo, Egypt. My preceptor at the site, Dr. Mohammed Salama, has a vast experience in healthy aging, and he's currently leading a longitudinal healthy aging project countrywide. I got to work closely with him and one of his PhD students, Omnia, who was working on the brain health pillars as part of a green brain health capital measurement. She was trying to identify four indicators: environmental, ecological, green skills, and digital literacy, for which there was publicly available data and information in the literature that they affect cognition. She was trying to find these indicators on a global scale. I have worked in the cognitive setting for a while now, but it was very interesting to see the intersectionality of this research with environmental factors. The entire project had four parts, but she was just getting started, and I mainly worked with her on the first part, which was environmental indicators like heavy metals, which included lead, arsenic. So we identified and extracted data sources for metals, which had evidence in the literature about their impact on cognition, like they negatively impacted cognition chronically. We identified the relevant indicators with the publicly available data and tabulated these metrics. This concluded my role in the study, but following this, she was going to submit these metrics and indicators to Delphi, which is the expert review panel, which would then give her feedback about which indicators she could include in her brain health pillar. I had an amazing time working with my preceptor and his extremely kind students. And as you can see in the pictures, I got to explore Egypt a little bit. I went to the pyramids, of course, and then I went for a hot air balloon ride. I saw some temples, which were ancient temples, and then I saw a couple of really beautiful mosques. My biggest takeaway from this experience was that you just need to reach out and ask for everyone, ask for help, and everyone is more than willing to help you. So yeah, the people I met there, they were so nice, so kind to me that I think they deserve their own slide. They took me to lunch, they helped me out in more ways than I can enumerate, and they treated me so well and made me feel so welcomed. I would also like to thank Dr. Hakeem, Dr. Valdez, and Roxana, who made it possible for me to have this amazing experience.